So if you're encountering this problem, this issue, while you're transferring your files from your MacBook or your Windows computer to any external drive like USB or hard drive, so you can see this error, the operation can't be completed because an unexpected error occurred, error code 309. So to solve this problem, there's a small solution that we need to apply, and it will take like maximum 1 minute if you're done. So you can see I have this external drive right now, external USB. It's rightly showing right here. I need to right click on it or tap twice with 2 fingers to see this information and get info. You can see we have the format is MS-DOS FA232. We need to change this format so we can allow our system, our Mac or PC, to actually allow USB to accept files that are more than 4 GB. So if you're trying to transfer files more than 4 GB from your Mac or Windows, you can encounter this error. So to solve this issue, either you go to your all applications right here, or you can touch your disk utility, or simply you can press Command and stay as if you're Mac, and you can find out disk utility. Click on disk utility, and then you need to go down to this external USB right here. Once you're on this external USB name as wedding, will be yours name. So click on erase, it is on the top right corner, and then you need to the name from any name that you want, and you need to select EXF80 from here. Okay, before I format, I need to make sure that I actually make the error here, okay, so it's not currently in use by operations, okay? And then I hit OK, then it's save transfer, and then I go back here, and thus select EXFPT, and then I erase this USB right now. Once the formation is completed, you can see its unmounting erase process is completed, click done to continue. Now you can see that it's claimed, clear, known, nothing is there. It's free 63 GB. I'm gonna go right click on it. I'm gonna see get info. It will show me the information now, like format is EXF80. Now you can easily copy and paste any files like more than 10 GB even. Be easily copying into the external drive. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment. And if you like my video and if we've solved your problem, feel free to give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.